And now the end is near, and so I'll face the final curtain. My friend, I'll say it clear. I'll state my case, of which I'm certain. I'd live a life that's full. I'd travel this and every highway, and more, much more than this, I did it my way. Regrets? I've had a few, but then again, too few to mention. I did what I had to do, and saw it through without exemption. I planned each charted course, each careful step along the byway, and more, much more than this, I did it my way. Yes, there were times, I'm sure you knew, when I bit off a match not and I could chew. But through it all, when there was doubt, I ate it up and spit it out. I faced it all, I stood tall, and did it my way. I've laughed and cried, I've had my fill, my share of losing, and now as tears subside, I fight it all, so amusing to think I did all that, and may I say, not in a shy way. Oh no, not me. I did it my way. For what is a man? What has he got? If not himself, then he has not to say the things he truly feels.